Hey, how you doing, Legacy Team? I'm Vince Pegler III, and you know what time it is. Every week, I'm going to go out into this Los Angeles market and find what I believe is a great deal, whether you're a first-time home buyer or a cash buyer, which is the best in today's high interest rate environment. However, I do believe interest rates will be going down in the next year or two. So if you do find something you like, do not wait, because as soon as these interest rates start falling, there's going to just be a flood of buyers out on the market. Los Angeles is a great market, as we can see. It's beautiful here. It was a little hot today, but it's still beautiful. So let's get to it. We got lucky this week. The reason why I say we got lucky is because a unit came onto the market in the same building that I profiled last week that I thought it was a great deal. And last week, it was priced at $699,000 for the 2-bedroom unit that was close to 1,000 square feet. And this week, this unit is also priced at $699,000, but it's not on the penthouse. It's on the 3rd floor. However, it's beautiful nonetheless. Take a look. So this home has beautiful natural light that floods through it. It's a sleek, redone kitchen with stainless steel appliances. And as you can see, on this top level, instead of that open loft, the previous owner actually added some partitions to give you some added privacy. Totally new floors throughout. And as you go outside, you see the beautiful, serene landscape with a koi pond, turtles, waterfall. You have a pool here, a spa, a sauna, a steam room, and also a gym. So there's plenty of beautiful amenities here. However, why I say is lucky is because since this unit is priced at the same price as the other unit, now we'll get to see where the market kind of adjusts. I talked to the agent for a little bit just to get a feel for how the flow had been this past weekend. She said she had almost 60 people come in to see this unit. So we still know there's a lot of buyers out in Los Angeles. Now, the unit last week is actually pending, meaning that there is an offer on that unit. So it'll be very interesting to see where it come out at. And if I were to represent you as an agent, I would want to see exactly where that unit priced. Now, since that unit had been on the market for only a week, I'm pretty sure that they had some offers higher than the list price. Also, this unit does not have central air and it does not have a laundry unit inside. So you could negotiate to bring that price down and then do those renovations to the home. Either way, let's stay tuned and see what happens with this. Hope you're having a beautiful one. I hope you're building your legacy. I'm out.